Have you ever wondered how some people make passive income while they sleep? It sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that dream is more achievable than you think? You could transform a simple website into a genuine money-making machine. All you need is your laptop, a decent internet connection, and the willingness to learn a few key strategies. It's not about some complicated get-rich-quick scheme, it's about building a real, sustainable online asset. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can start making money from a website, specifically through blogging. This isn't just theory, this is practical, actionable advice that you can implement right away. I'm also going to share how I personally earn a significant portion of my income through affiliate marketing. So grab a pen and a notebook, maybe even a cup of coffee, because we're about to dive deep. Let's get into it. The first step, and one of the most crucial, is choosing your niche. Think of your niche as the specific topic or subject area your blog will focus on. You might be tempted to pick something broad, but that's usually a mistake when starting out. Your niche should ideally be something you're genuinely passionate about. You're going to be creating a lot of content about it, and if you don't care about the topic, it's going to feel like a chore. But passion alone isn't enough. Your chosen niche also needs to have demand. This means there have to be people out there actively searching for information related to that topic. The real magic happens when you can narrow down a broader topic into a more specific sub-niche. For example, instead of just travel, maybe you focus on budget backpacking in Southeast Asia. This specificity makes it easier to stand out and attract a dedicated audience. Do some basic keyword research to figure out if there's demand. Use free tools like Google Keyword Planner or look at forums like Reddit or Quora. Your goal isn't to reinvent the wheel, but to offer your unique perspective within an existing area of interest. A well-chosen niche is the foundation upon which your entire money-making blog will be built. The next step involves two fundamental things: a domain name and web hosting. Your domain name is your website's address on the internet. You want something catchy, memorable, easy to spell, and ideally related to your niche. Then there's web hosting, which is the service that stores all your website's files and makes them accessible to visitors. Without hosting, your domain name would just point to an empty space. I highly recommend Hostinger for affordable and reliable hosting. Hostinger offers fantastic speeds, crucial for user experience and SEO, and their security features give you peace of mind. Their control panel, hPanel, is super intuitive even if you're not a tech wizard. Plus, they often throw in a free domain name for the first year. They have a one-click WordPress installer, making setup a breeze. Their customer support is available 24/7. Check out the link in the description for a special discount and support this channel. Now it's time to install the engine that will power your blog, WordPress. WordPress is incredibly powerful and user-friendly. Hostinger has a fantastic one-click WordPress installer. You log into your Hostinger account, find the WordPress installer, click a few buttons, and boom. WordPress is installed. WordPress is free and open source, giving you complete control and ownership of your website. Once WordPress is installed, pick a theme that matches your niche and personal style. Set up essential pages like Home, About, Blog, and Contact. Install a few essential plugins like an SEO plugin, a contact form plugin, and maybe a security plugin. Don't go overboard with plugins, as too many can slow down your site. Your online home is built and ready for its first resident, your content. Let's move on to creating that content. Now comes the part that truly defines your blog creating content. Your blog posts are what will attract visitors, keep them engaged, and help you make money. Do some keyword research to find out what terms and phrases people are searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest can give you a ton of ideas for blog post topics. Your goal is to create the best possible piece of content on the internet for that specific query. Focus on providing real value, add your unique perspective, and make sure your information is accurate and up to date. Break up long blocks of text with headings, subheadings, bullet points, and images. Consistency is key. Establish a regular publishing schedule. Quality over quantity, always, but aim for consistent quality. Each blog post you publish is an asset that can attract visitors and earn you money for years to come. Think of yourself as a problem solver for your audience. If you can consistently provide them with the solutions they're looking for, you'll build trust, authority, and a loyal readership. How do we actually make money from this blog? Once you start getting a consistent flow of traffic, you can begin to monetize that traffic. Two of the most popular and effective methods for bloggers are display advertising and affiliate marketing. Display ads are the banner ads, sidebar ads, and ads within content that you encounter on most websites. One of the easiest ways to get started with display ads is by joining an ad network like Google AdSense. As your traffic grows, you might look into premium ad networks like Ezoic or Mediavine. Display ads can provide a nice, relatively passive stream of income. But here's where things get really powerful. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product or service to your audience, and if someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. You can find affiliate programs for almost anything imaginable. To make affiliate marketing work, integrate your affiliate links naturally into your content. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links. Transparency is key to building trust with your audience. Start exploring affiliate programs relevant to your niche and watch your blog transform into a money-making machine. Creating great content is essential, but it's only half the job. You need to actively promote your blog to grow your audience. Start promoting on social media. Identify which platforms your target audience hangs out on. Share your new blog posts, create engaging social media content, and interact with your followers. Participate in communities related to your niche. Provide genuine value, and share your links when appropriate. Now let's talk about SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is the process of optimizing your blog so that it ranks higher in search engine results. Focus on creating high-quality, comprehensive content that naturally incorporates the keywords your audience is searching for. Don't forget about email marketing. Encourage visitors to subscribe to an email list. Promoting your blog is an ongoing effort. Experiment with different promotion strategies and be consistent. It takes time and persistence, but as you consistently apply these promotion techniques, you'll start to see your traffic grow. With that growing traffic comes the increasing potential for your blog to become a true money-making machine. Let's wrap this up. So, there you have it, a complete roadmap to turning your blog into a money-making machine. Starting a blog isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's about creating a valuable asset. The potential is massive for anyone willing to put in the effort. You don't need to be a tech expert or a professional writer. The biggest barrier is starting. Choose your niche, get hosting, set up your blog with WordPress, and publish genuinely helpful content. Layer in monetization strategies and promote your work. Never stop learning and adapting. The online world evolves, but providing value remains constant. Stay consistent, patient, and serve your audience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.